The ocean's role in regulating Earth's climate. Title: The ocean's role in regulating Earth's climate. Introduction. The Earth's climate system is a complex web of interconnected processes that influences weather patterns, species distribution, and the overall health of our planet. Among the key components of this system is the ocean, which plays a vital role in regulating Earth's climate. From its expansive surface area to its immense capacity for storing heat and absorbing carbon dioxide, the ocean acts as a crucial regulator of global climate. In this article, we will explore the ocean's significant contributions to climate regulation and its role in maintaining the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. 1. Heat storage and redistribution. The ocean's vastness allows it to store and redistribute large amounts of heat, making it a major player in shaping global climate patterns. Ocean currents, such as the Gulf Stream and the Kuroshio Sea, transport warm water from the tropics to higher latitudes, moderating temperatures by releasing heat into the atmosphere. This redistribution of heat regulates the Earth's climate by influence in weather patterns, such as the formation of oceanic and atmospheric disturbances like El Niño and La Niña. 2. Thermohaline circulation. Another essential process driven by the ocean is thermohaline circulation. This complex system of deep-water currents plays a crucial role in redistributing heat globally. In the Atlantic Ocean, for instance, the formation of dense, cold, and saline water near the poles leads to its sinking. This sinking water then spreads throughout the deep ocean, carrying heat with it. The upward movement of warmer water in other regions compensates for the sinking, ensuring a continuous circulation. This process helps regulate temperatures, making the climate more stable and equitable by transferring heat from the equator to the poles. 3. Carbon dioxide absorption. The ocean is an immense sink for carbon dioxide, CO2, a greenhouse gas released primarily through human activities. It plays a vital role in mitigating climate change by absorbing and storing vast amounts of CO2 from the atmosphere. Seawater contains dissolved inorganic carbon, which reacts with CO2 to form carbonic acid. This process, known as ocean acidification, reduces the effects of CO2 on the climate but negatively impacts marine life, particularly species with calcium carbonate shells. Nonetheless, the ocean's ability to absorb CO2 helps to regulate the climate by reducing the greenhouse effect. 4. Influence on atmospheric composition. The ocean's impact on Earth's climate extends beyond heat redistribution and carbon storage. It also affects the atmosphere's composition through the exchange of gases. Phytoplankton, microscopic mar in plants, contribute significantly to the regulation of climate by consuming carbon dioxide through photosynthesis. This process releases oxygen into the atmosphere, helping to maintain the balance of atmospheric gases. Additionally, certain algae produce volatile organic compounds that influence cloud formation, potentially affecting the Earth's energy balance and climate system. 5. Coastal protection and ecosystem services. The ocean's role in climate regulation extends to terrestrial areas as well. Coastal ecosystems, including mangroves, seagrass beds, and salt marshes, provide valuable services in mitigating climate change impacts. These ecosystems act as carbon sinks, efficiently storing carbon dioxide to mitigate its effects. They also protect coastlines by acting as natural barriers, reducing the impacts of storms, erosion, and sea level rise. Protecting and preserving these coastal ecosystems is crucial not only for climate regulation but also for maintaining biodiversity and supporting livelihoods. The ocean is not only a beautiful and vast expanse of water but also a vital component in regulating Earth's climate. One of the ways the ocean helps regulate climate is through its ability to store and redistribute heat. With its vast surface area, the ocean can absorb and store large amounts of heat, which helps moderate temperature extremes. Ocean currents, such as the Gulf Stream and the Kuroshio Current, transport warm water from the tropics to higher latitudes, releasing heat into the atmosphere and influencing weather patterns. Thermohaline circulation, another important process driven by the ocean, plays a crucial role in redistributing heat globally. The sinking of cold, dense, and saline water near the poles initiates circulation. This sinking water spreads throughout the deep ocean, carrying heat with it. In other regions, warmer water rises to compensate for the sinking, ensuring a continuous circulation. This process helps regulate temperatures, making the climate more stable and equitable by transferring heat from the equator to the poles. The ocean's ability to absorb carbon dioxide, CO2, is crucial in mitigating climate change. As a greenhouse gas released primarily through human activities, CO2 traps heat in the atmosphere and contributes to global warming. However, the ocean acts as a large sink for CO2, absorbing and storing significant amounts from the atmosphere. This absorption process, known as ocean acidification, reduces the effects of CO2 on the climate by reducing the greenhouse effect. Nevertheless, ocean acidification has negative impacts on marine life, particularly species with calcium carbonate shells. In addition to heat redistribution and carbon storage, the ocean influences atmospheric composition through the exchange of gases. Phytoplankton, tiny marine plants, play a significant role in climate regulation by consuming carbon dioxide through photosynthesis. This process releases oxygen into the atmosphere, maintaining the balance of atmospheric gases. Certain algae also produce volatile organic compounds that affect cloud formation, potentially influencing the Earth's energy balance and climate system. Coastal ecosystems, such as mangroves, seagrass beds, and salt marshes, provide valuable services in mitigating climate change impacts and protecting vulnerable areas. These ecosystems act as carbon sinks, effectively storing carbon dioxide and helping to alleviate its effects on the climate. Additionally, they act as natural barriers, reducing the impacts of storms, erosion, and rising sea level. Thus protecting coastal areas. Understanding and preserving the ocean's role in climate regulation is crucial for addressing the challenges of global climate change and ensuring a sustainable future for our planet. By recognizing the ocean's contributions and taking steps to protect coastal ecosystems, we can strive towards a more balanced and resilient climate system. The ocean's role in regulating Earth's climate is unmistakable. Its vastness allows it to store and redistribute heat across the globe, influencing weather patterns and maintaining a stable climate. The process of thermohaline circulation ensures that heat is continuously transferred from the equator to the poles, balancing temperatures and preventing extreme variations. The ocean's ability to absorb carbon dioxide is crucial in mitigating climate change. By acting as a sink for CO2, the ocean helps reduce the greenhouse effect and control global warming. However, its absorption process also leads to ocean acidification, which negatively impacts marine life. Finding a balance between mitigating climate change and preserving marine ecosystems is essential. In addition to heat storage and carbon absorption, the ocean influences atmospheric composition. Phytoplankton, through photosynthesis, consume carbon dioxide and release oxygen, ensuring a balance and atmospheric gases. Moreover, certain algae contribute to cloud formation, affecting the Earth's energy balance and climate system. Coastal ecosystems play a crucial role in protecting vulnerable areas and mitigating climate change impacts. Mangroves, seagrass beds, and salt marshes act as natural barriers, reducing the risks of storms, erosion, and sea level rise. These ecosystems also serve as carbon sinks, storing significant amounts of carbon dioxide and helping to alleviate its effects on the climate. Understanding and preserving the ocean's role in climate regulation is vital. By recognizing its contributions and implementing strategies to protect coastal ecosystems, we can work towards a more sustainable future. The ocean, with its capacity for heat storage, carbon absorption, and influence on atmospheric composition, is a powerful ally in the fight against climate change. The ocean's role in regulating Earth's climate cannot be understated. Its expansive surface area and capacity for heat storage make it a vital component in shaping global climate patterns. Ocean currents, such as the Gulf Stream and the Kuroshio Current, transport warm water from the tropics to higher latitudes, moderating temperatures and influencing weather patterns. Thermohaline circulation, driven by the ocean, plays a crucial role in redistributing heat globally. The sinking of cold, dense, and saline water near the poles initiates the circulation, carrying heat.